Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let's discuss the INFOSYS real-time QA automation testing interview questions and answers. Guys, if you are looking for similar study materials and complete end-to-end interview preparation kit, please do check out for the link in the description and also in the comment section. It's really helpful for clearing the interviews and also helpful for working in real-time industry level projects. Okay, you will get lifetime free access with regular updates without paying any additional taxes. Okay, so please do check out. I have given a link in the description and also in the comment section. It's really helpful for interview preparation. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Explain your automation framework. This is the first question. So you can answer in a short form like, in my current project, we use hybrid automation framework built using Python, Selenium, PyTest and page object model. The framework consists of page object model to separate the locators and page actions, and PyTest for test execution and fixtures, data driven testing using Excel or CSV or JSON uh, file formats, and configuration file to store the environment specific data, and logging we using Python logging module. Guys, one more thing. So here they asked questions with respect to Selenium and Python, but you can answer the interview question accordingly. For example, if you are familiar with Java, you need to incorporate Java specific keywords, and if you are familiar with Python, you need to incorporate Python specific keywords. Okay, so let's continue. And for HTML or Allure reporting, we have used HTML or Allure reports for execution, uh, validation, um, and the framework consists of utility classes for common functions like waits, screenshots, and browser setup handling. And it consists of Jenkins integration for CI/CD execution, and we had Git for version control. Okay, so this framework is easy to maintain, reusable, scalable, and it supports parallel execution. So this is how you can answer to the interview in an interview ready short format. Okay, so the next question they asked is with respect to the how do you handle dynamic elements. Okay, and the next question they asked is with respect to the page object model. So you need to explain what is page object model, what are the benefits of page object model, okay, and why we go for page object model. And in the fourth question, they asked with respect to the explicit wait. Why do you use explicit wait instead of time.sleep method? Okay, or thread.sleep method. And fifth question is about tell me about a challenge you have faced in your automation. Okay, so you need to ready with any one challenge that you have faced and you need to elaborate the answer in the interview. So you can see the answer that I have already provided. And the next question goes like, how do you handle test failures? Okay, so whenever a test fails, I follow these steps. I check the execution logs, I capture the screenshots, I analyze the stack traces, I verify the application issue or if it's a script issue, and I rerun the cases to identify the flaky failures, and I fix locators or synchronization issues if needed, and I raise a defect if it's an application bug. Okay, so we also integrate screenshots and logs into the HTML or Allure reports for easier debugging. The seventh question talks about how do you perform data driven testing. So in data driven testing, test data is stored separately from test scripts. So the data can come from Excel file or CSV file or JSON file, or it can be from database. So you can elaborate your answer. Okay, and the next question goes like, explain your Jenkins integration. Okay, so you need to explain step by step workflow and the benefits of it. And the ninth question they asked is with respect to the flaky test cases. So how do you reduce flaky test cases? Okay, so this is also a short and sweet answer that you can give. And why do you prefer Python for automation? Okay, similarly you can expect a question if you are giving interviews with Java, like why do you prefer Java for automation? And the next question is about to write a program in Java or Python to reverse the given words. Welcome to automation testing or whatever it can be. So you have to write a simple logic. And the 12th question is about how have you used AI in your automation testing project? Okay, so you need to tell what and all you do using GitHub Copilot or whatever the project specific AI tools you are using. And you need to tell what are the benefits of using the AI tools or AI integration, how it helps in generating the test data, generating the test cases, or writing the queries or programs, helping you in error debugging or whatever it may be, or with respect to test case summaries or writing the documentation. Okay, so you can elaborate all the details, and upon this question they ask the follow-up question like how do you ensure AI generated code is reliable? Okay, so you can answer in a short and sweet form like I don't use AI generated code directly in the production. I first review the logic, follow the coding standards according to organization rules, execute the code locally, verify the different scenarios, and ensure it aligns with our existing automation framework. So AI is an assistant for us that improves the productivity, but final validation is always done by the automation engineer. Do remember that. Okay. So guys, as I said earlier, so if you're looking for ultimate full stack QA automation interview preparation kit, okay, so please do check out for the link in the description and also in the comment section. It's completely a 200% job focused interview preparation kit, and it has been designed for both freshers as well as experienced candidates, and it covers the actual questions asked in almost all the top companies, and it has been crafted after taking 3500 plus automation interviews, and it contains end to end everything whatever you need to face the interviews, and also whatever you need to work in real time industry level projects. Okay, so please do check out, it's really helpful. Thank you so much for watching my video. All the best for your upcoming interview.